Hey, I'm Scott from Team McKinley. Today I'm going to show you how you can sleep like a baby anywhere. But let's take a step back and look at nature first. Dusk is when nature changes over shifts. Some are just waking up while others are going to bed. But before you can crawl into your sleeping bag too, you need to make two important decisions: type of sleeping bag and insulation. Square sleeping bags allow for a lot of movement inside and can also be used open, so ideal for the summer. But in cold temperatures, you should go for a mummy sleeping bag, as it keeps the warm air near your body. Insulation is also crucial. Down is natural, light and very comfortable, but it traps moisture. Synthetic fiber, on the other hand, is much more resistant to moisture and also less expensive. All right, then zip up. Good night and see you next time.